Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot change app store country because of Apple Music subscription. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to change country or region in your app store, but you're having this type issue that you cannot change your country or region due to Apple ID subscription or Apple Music or anything else subscription. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to close these apps, and after that you just have to open your settings app from here, and very first you have to double check your network connection that you're connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network, and then you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to disconnect your VPN first if you are connected because VPN affect location based content. And once you have done, you have to simply go back, then tap on your Apple ID from here. And now you just have to look for subscriptions from here. Simply tap on that. So once you have selected subscriptions, you will get this type page. Here you will find Apple Music subscription if you are subscribed or anything else subscription. So you just have to cancel all of your subscriptions first. And once you have canceled all of your subscriptions, you have to go back and then open your App Store again. Simply tap on your profile in the top right corner. Select your account from here. And now you can easily change your country or region. So select your country or region option. Now you just have to look for your own country or region in which you are living. Then select your country or region. Tap on continue option. Now tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. If you have any payment method, you can easily add it here. If you don't have, select the none option from here. Then you have to add your billing address, your phone number, your name. And once you have done all of these, you just have to tap on done option in the top right corner, and your country or region will be successfully changed in your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily change your country or region without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.